American author Miss Helen Keller once said, and I quote, "Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence."
And the wise Chinese philosopher Confucius said, and I quote, "The will to win, the desire to succeed, and the urge to reach full potential are the keys that unlock the door to personal excellence."
Indeed, if one is determined, focused, hardworking, and optimistic, what is there that cannot be achieved? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Delhi Public School, Shashankal, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this virtual Scholar Badge ceremony for the academic year 2020-21, an annual and integral feature of DPS culture. This ceremony seeks to felicitate meritorious students who excel in both scholastic and post-scholastic areas of school life.
Tamaso ma Jyotirgamaya. When translated, this ancient quote means, "O Lord, lead me from the darkness of ignorance to the light of knowledge." In keeping with our tradition at DPS Shishantlo, our temple of learning. Before we begin today's program, let us light the ceremonial lamp and seek the blessings of the divine goddess Saraswati.
दीपज्योतिः परं ज्योति दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं करोतु कल्याणम् आरोग्यं सुखसम्पदाम् द्वेषबुद्धिविनाशाय आत्मज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते आत्मज्योतिः प्रदीप्ताय ब्रह्मज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते ब्रह्मज्योति प्रदीप्ताय गुरुज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते.
It is said inspirational leadership at its core is about inspiring others to dream more, become more, and achieve more. We are proud to be led by our respected officiating principal, Ms. Rupali Kudesia, who has always encouraged us to march on the path of excellence. I now request ma'am to address the esteemed gathering.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Scholar Badge Ceremony 2020-21. The gone year has been full of challenges for us. When the pandemic just hit us, little did we know that how the year was going to unfold. Our teachers had played a vital role in this entire journey. Our children are real heroes. It was not an easy task for our children, being confined to the four walls of home and yet adapting the new system of online teaching and focusing, absorbing, engrossing. These were the learning outcomes of the children were fairly good. Celebrating the Scholar Badge ceremony, just to brief you about what the Scholar Badge is all about. From 6th to 8th, a child secures a Scholar Badge if the child has obtained A1 grade in all the other subjects. For grade 9-10th, it is 90% and above in all the subjects. Once The child achieves Scholar Badge for 3 consecutive years. The child is awarded with a blue blazer. Another 3 years, the child is awarded with a blue tie as well. And 3 more years, and by this time the child is in grade 12, that student is given gold medal. So this year we have around 452 children receiving Scholar Badge, 108 blue blazer, and we have 58 grade 12 children receiving gold medal. So astonishing result and splendid learning outcomes as well. So I congratulate all the parents for being very patient and sharing our tasks while we conducted the school online. And congratulations to our little children. Children, you've done fairly well. So all the best to all of you. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We always cherish your golden words. All great achievements have one thing in common: people with their undying passion to succeed. Achievers are resolute in their goals and driven by an unwavering determination. Today, it is indeed our privilege to felicitate these meritorious students who have made a mark for themselves with their hard work, perseverance, and passion.
I would like to uprise this esteemed gathering that the student is declared a scholar and receives the scholar badge if he or she secures an overall A1A or A2 grade in a given academic year. A blue blazer is awarded to a student who receives the scholar badge for 3 consecutive years, starting with class 5. A blue blazer, as well as a blue tie, is awarded to a student who receives a scholar badge for the next 3 consecutive years. If a student receives a scholar badge for yet another year, he or she gets a gold medal in class 12.
I now request the class representative to take over and announce the names of the achievers.
A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, hard work, and determination. And today, all of us are gathered to celebrate the glory of achievement, diligence, and perseverance of our young achievers. I, Deepika Nagpal, class representative of grade 7, welcome you all to the virtual Scholar Badge ceremony of the session 2020-21. I congratulate all the achievers, their parents, and their teachers. Let's begin with the much awaited ceremony. Scholar Badge recipients in the group 1 are Rajveer Singh Malik, Dishita Agarwal, Sia Kapoor, Raghav Rao, Jay Aditya Singh, Neel Dhaka, Ashman Bhokadole, Harshika Bansal, Vyom Kapoor, Suhani Sehgal, Anjali Sehgal, Darsh Raheja, Aditi Thakur, Shivil Agarwal, Adya Chakravarti, and Ridhima Chaturvedi. In the second group, we have Dev Arora, Ayyar Vivikta Ganesh, Vrinda Verma, Pratham Dhaiya, Kush Bhatia, Kartikeya Goyal, Shubh Bareja, Adya Chawla, Shivam Sharma, Diya Sharma, Dev Joshi, Ashni Dutt, Kanishk Rathore, Tanmay Goyal, Anya Chaturvedi, and Anya Garg. In group 3, we have Arav Sethi, Anushka Jain, Bhavya Balani, Dimpy Malik, Harman Singh Buhi, Irfan Khan, Ishan Bansal, Kritika Sinha, Yafi Firoz, Yash Kokcha, Samriddhi Devgan, Preeti Sharma, Yashovardhan Sharma, Adit Agarwal, Ayansh Singhania, and Abhira Batra. In group 4, we have Advait Singh, Aniket Haldar, Avi Sharma, Bhavik Kumar, Daksh Sharma, Ishmeet Kaur, Naitik Gehlot, Nandika Sharma, नव्या सुहाग, साची मनचंदा, सार्थक द्वादश श्रेणी, सोनी चौधरी, सुमेधा आर्या, विक्रम के, हर्षिता शर्मा, प्रणव कार्तिक. In Group 5, we have Shaurya Malik, Amvi Bansal, Gitika Bodas, Sanvi Gupta, Ahanjit Goswami, Yovik Roy, Sanvi Saxena, Ayush Goyal, Sarthak Sisodhya, Vedhi Mishra, Vedika Mishra, Arav Jain, Alia Trikha, Jai Krishna Dinesh, Devansh Yadav, Anvita Srivastav. In Group 6, we have Rishi Prasad Mahanta, Gitali Mittal, Krishiv Chuk, Sanvi Sharma, Anubha Badoni, Aditya Thakur, Pavni Dua, Prisha Bansal, Madhav Kochar, Kushi Aswani, Pranav Chopra, Anand Veer Singh, Parth Mangla, Hridya Sharma, Kshitij Chaudhary, and Vardhan Luthra. Group 7, we have Anusha Parashar, Riddhi Gambhir, Siddharth June, Manya Mathur, Anshika Gaur, Manrat Singh Sidhu, Yashvi Rathore, Mohit Malwa, Arav Garg, Daksh Dang, Sheetal Nayak, Kanav Chhabra, Sparsh Jain, Driya Shah, Srihan Sharma, Harjas Singh Ghai. In Group 8, we have Hiten Goyal, Shivi Arora, Shashank Srivastava, Sarthak Maghu, Aradhya Dabas, Akshra Juneja, Aditya Gupta, Bhavya Chauhan, Shreyas Mundal, Kaustubh Sachin Mahamuni, Purvi Munjal, Sadhna Guha, Shobhit Paul, Shreya Sharma, Twisha Kalra, Dharmik Devan. Group 9, we have Karan Sharma, Angad Sharma, Aryan Kumar Bhatt, Ojas Kapoor, Kshitij Lohan, Dhruv Quatra, Drishti Saili Sahu, Harveer Singh Anand, Nitya Agarwal, Ranbir Samant Narang, Ranveer Kumar, Sahil Dogra, Shivangi Singh, Shivya Jain, Shauri Kaviraj, and Vibhor Shukla. In Group 10, we have Abhinav Dutt, Pranav Gupta, Advay Aga, Avika Prakash, Pranjal Singh, Divyansh Suri, Sarvangi Rana, Anish Agarwal, Tanmay Sinha, Kamyabi, Anant Vishishtha, Krishank Sharma, Konark Sharma, Aksh Kaushik, and Samiksha Singhal. In Group 11, we have Anika Dutt, Priyanshi Khatana, Nupur Tamrakar, Arnav Singh, Shaurya Srivastav, and Anish Dupaguntala. Recipients of full attendance certificate are Rajveer Singh Malik, Dishita Agarwal, Sia Kapoor, Raghav Rao, Jai Aditya Singh, Neel Dhaka, Sohani Sehgal, Anjali Sehgal, Darsh Raheja, Ridhima Chaturvedi, Riddhi Gambhir, Anshika Gaur, Daksh Dang, Neev Saini. In Group 2, we have Prisha Raina, Shubham Kumar, Dev Arora, Vrinda Verma, Pratham Dhaya, Kush Bhatia, Kartikeya Goyal, Shubham Bareja, Adya Chawla, Shivam Sharma, Diya Sharma, Dhye Joshi, Driya Shah, and Harjas Singh Ghai. In Group 3, we have Akshra Juneja, सार्थक मागू, माही, आन्या गर्ग, आरव सेठी, डिम्पी मलिक, ईशान बंसल, यश कोकचा, समृद्धि देवगन, यशोवर्धन शर्मा, पूर्वी मुंजाल, साधना गुहा, श्रेया शर्मा and Vanya Khurana. In group 4, we have Abhira Batra, Aniket Haldar, Bhavik Kumar, Ishmeet Kaur, Naitik Gehlot, Navya Suhag, Shauri Kaviraj, Parth Jain, Tanmay Gulati, Pranav Karthik, Amvi Bansal, Ahinjit Goswami, Ayush Goyal, Sarthak Sisodia. In group 5, we have Alia Trikha, Pranav Gupta, Pranjal Singh, Shreyas Kaul, Rishi Prasad Mahanta, Gitali Mittal, Krishiv Chugh, Sanvi Sharma, Aditya Thakur, Prisha Bansal, Khushi Aswani, Pranav Chopra, Vardhan Luthra, Kshitij Chaudhary and Anusha Parashar. Once again, congratulations to all the achievers. Now, I would like to invite Ms. Kavita Alavadi, class representative of grade 6, to carry on with the ceremony.
Respected heads, parents, and my dear students, greeting to one and all. I, Kavita Elavadi, class rep for grade 6, welcome you all in this virtual Scholar Batch ceremony. It is my proud privilege to announce the names of grade 5 worthy recipients for the session 2020-21. So, without any delay, let's begin with the ceremony.
In the first group we have Anya Lokdarshi, Aditi Singh, Aditya Mittal, Anahat Bhatt, Anshuman Verma, Aviral Mittal, Kanav Kumar, Mahi Kaul, Manya Gupta, Nandini Pathania, Pakhi Sharma, Radhika Agarwal, Rishit Sehrawat, Srishti Mohapatra, Tia Takshak, and Tisha Yadav. In the next group we have Utkarsha Girase, Yavya Garg, Adi Menon, Ashna Kapoor, Aditya Manoj Patil, Arjun Singh Rathore, Kiara Vohra, Meenal Bansal, Meher Virk, Navya Jain, Navya Rathi, Pranay Palaparti, Trisha Tule, Virat Swaroop, Yashvi Agarwal, Vivan Agarwal. In group 3 we have Arush Sharma, Amogh Bansal, Devang Thareja, Navya Tomar, Rebat Suvr Gupta, Ahana Arora, Arav Arora, Arav Yadav, Arush Thapliyal, Anirban Jha, Anish Mehta, Drishti Chaudhary, Mohammad Hamdan Siddiqui, Parnika Tripathi, Sia Khokar, Vidish Arora. In group 4 we have Adit Agarwal, Manit Singhal, Sarthak Singh, Shaurya Saxena, Mubashir Gulrez Azam, Shayoni Sutar, Arav Verma, Abhigyan Nandi, Agamya Bhakuni, Avishi Sharma, Avni Jain, Chahat Batra, Drishya Sharma, Hamish Gupta, Harsh Agarwal, Kartik Gupta. In group 5 we have Lavanya Singh, Ronit Malhotra, Shrestha Bharti, Janvi Oberoi, Mehul Adlakha, Pratyush Sharma, Rudraksh Tyagi, Shrishti Kakkar, Swini Jain, Akshara Patrinathan, Vansh Yadav, Arnav Munjal, Arunima Sinha, R.V. Yadav, Atharv Sharma, Bhavya Ranjan Panda. In group 6 we have Itisha Gupta, Kabir Sharma, Likhit Sanklecha, Manvi Gupta, Mishti Goyal, Pranat Jain, Sana Singh, Siddharth Gupta, Tejasvi Kumar, Vrinda Khurana, Ayush Raj, Aditi Bhatnagar, Alaika Jain, Arnav Bhatnagar, Om Sachin Bonde, Avni Bhatnagar. In group 7 we have Charvi, Chayan Kumar, Daksh Tyagi, Dhruv Kalra, Dron Kataria, Satyam Dikshit, Suhani Agarwal, Vedant Pava, Arav Sen, Aditi Sharma, Aisha Wadhwani, Anushka Singh, Aryaman Monga, Chaitanya Mittal, Devangi Garg, Dhruv Kumar. In the next group we have Lakshit Yadav, Sayansh Bijoria, Hardik Sehrawat, Vyom Vedant Lal, Sara Sirkar, Arav Thakur, Akarsh Kumar, Anirudh Chatterjee, Avni Bagade, Daksha Karade, Dhruv Yadav, Isabella Lorodu, Raghav Jha, Raghav Maheshwari, Ratanjot Kaur Oberoi, Shaurya Bansal. In group 9 we have Shauvik Panda, Suryansh Gauri, Ishita Goyal, Navya Arora, Yogika Yadav, Vaibhav Lakshmi Kalra, Anya Sehdev, Adamya Prateek, Elisa Ambavani, Aman Gupta, Anish Ram Jai Bhaskar, Arnesh Kant Nigam, Jiva Kataria, Hunar Sangwan, Myra Sharma, Pratishtha Behel. In group 10 we have Revan Padiyal, Shambhavi Minocha, Swasti Nagpal, Arav Chaudhary, Tanish Agarwal, Arav Kumar Ekat, Amir Azhar, Arjun Mishra, Divyansh Bohra, Gauri Verma, Mannat Kapoor, Sarthak Jain, Saksham Thakran, Atharv Mittal, Tanishtha Das, Shaurya Rajput. In group 11 we have Arav Goyal, Arav Kalan, Anant Kataria, Ananya Gulati, Anushka Ghosh, Ashmeet Kaur, Aryan Gulati, Dhavit Wadhwa, Ishant Bohara, Kinjal Singh, Rashi Sapra, Saksham Kumar, Sanghamitra Mehlawat, Yashita Pandey, Aviraj Singh Gandhi, Ayan Cham. In group 12 we have Harsh Vansil, Kanav Gupta, Kaustubh Agarwal, Prisha Gupta, Purahan Yadav, Soham Maheshwari, Swastik Agarwal, Tanishi Bharadwaj, Tanzil Dhawan, Twisha Mishra, Vihan Chawla, Vihan Mantri, Viraj Garg, Vedant Jain, Akarsh Shrivastava, Arush Parekh. Group 13 we have Aryan Gupta, Advait Sharma, Amok Chauhan, Anshika Sharma, Avyan Kishore, Darsh Gupta, Darsh Mehrotra, Hardik Dhameja, Hariti Suri, Kartike Jha, Sara Sharma, Sonam Sehgal. The one who is regular and punctual will get sure success in all walks of life. Next, we present students who have obtained full attendance. Navya Jain, Sayansh Bijoria, Anirban Jha, Mohammad Hamdan Siddiqui, Abhigyan Nandi, Avishi Sharma, Shrestha Bharati, Ananya Gulati, Ishant Bohara, Siddharth Gupta, Hariti Suri, and Sonam Sehgal. Congratulations and celebrations. May you have many more such achievements. God bless you always. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations to all our student achievers for their outstanding performance. I now request our respected headmistress, ma'am, Miss Shilpi Vij, to kindly propose the vote of thanks.
Heartiest congratulations to all the students and their parents on this special day. I take this opportunity to express my deepest gratitude to all the parents for their continued support. For the school is an extension of one's home, and nothing can be achieved unless teachers and parents work in tandem. Thank you for sparing your valuable time to be with us today. My special thanks to our respected Pro Vice Chairperson Ms. Meenakshi Singh Pathania for her unstinting support and guidance. Thank you, ma'am. We've been very fortunate to be assisted by our principal, Ms. Rupali Kudesia. You've been a constant support, ma'am. Thank you for always inspiring and encouraging us. I would also like to thank entire staff of TPS who has worked tirelessly to make the event a grand success. Last but definitely not the least, a special thank you goes to our dearest students who are the very reason for our existence as teachers. This show, like all the previous ones, could not have succeeded without their efforts and participation. Once again, thank you all and have a great day ahead.